Good morning from Lisbon, Portugal. Today is the day, the reason why we even came here to Lisbon for this. This is Web Summit, and I'm a speaker. Look at this place, like this is close to our Airbnb. This is where we've been staying the whole time. And it looks like a movie set. I'm gonna take you along, show you some of the madness that is Web Summit. Let's go. All right, we made it to the Web Summit. We are in the speaker registration, which is different than where we were a couple days ago. It's just for speakers. I didn't even know this place existed. Speaker prep. And there is lots and lots of food. How did I not know this place existed? This is where the speakers go. And there's food everywhere, and it's nice. And there's Wi-Fi, and there's couches. We've just been going where all the attendees go the last couple of days. Too bad it's the last day. We could have just hung out here the whole time. Eggs, maybe? Portuguese pastries. That's a lot of rice. Whoa. What is this meat?
Jamon.
What is it?
Jamon.
Oh, lamb?
Pata negra.
Okay. He said something in a different language, but I think it was lamb. I don't know. This is where they keep the giant pieces of bread. See how big that is? Meat, more bread, crackers, more giant bread. Look at the size of the fork compared to the bread. Thing of cheese, maybe? Dang, that is huge. Look at all that shrimp and stuff. Whoa. That looks healthy, wow. Leslie would be proud of me. Vegetables, fruit, and some kind of bread. There's this machine here. Now, full disclaimer, I've never drank coffee in my life, or espresso, and I'm not going to start today at Web Summit, but I do want to see what this machine does. What is this thing? They put the cup on here. Oh, there it is. It's coming from the bottom. That's magic. It's a magic espresso machine. Food is done, check. And now it's time to go to speakers prep. It's fun to come out and speak and kind of share some of the things that I've learned within the YouTube world. I'm not sure how much of speakers prep or of the talk I'm going to actually record. I guess you'll find out in a minute if I recorded anything. We have a channel called What's Inside. He had a second grade science project and he wanted to know what's inside of sports balls. So we cut open these sports balls, posted the videos to YouTube. About a year later, randomly people started watching it and I was like, hey Lincoln, maybe if we continued cutting stuff open, by the time you go to college, you might have a little extra money for school or whatever. So he's like, yeah, let's do it, Dad. I was a biotech sales rep for 12 years. I walked away from my job and now I just make goofy YouTube videos and it's a blast.
There's only one you in the whole world. Go be that person. It's really liberating and fun.
All right, we just finished up. That was really fun. Super short, but fun. Hopefully it helps somebody. I'm basically Britney Spears here. And look how this thing connects. You see that? This is what I was wearing. It felt so weird. All right, we're leaving. I got a small baguette. That's it from Web Summit. We're gonna head out and see a couple more things. We don't fly out till the morning. Maybe a castle. I don't know. Let's go see.
Let's leave the European Union.
Al Gore is speaking right now. He's inside the auditorium where there's thousands and thousands of people. It's so full in there that people are all outside just watching it. They won't let anybody else in. We tried to go in to see our buddy Al, but he's talking about climate change. Surprise, surprise.
Around the world. A lot of them in South Asia, a lot of them in North America, some in Europe. Tropical disease.
Sounds like an inconvenient truth to me.
Do we have to
No offense to you, Al Gore. Good message, good message. But I want to go see a castle before the sun goes down.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast.
Okay, the Uber dropped us off. We are in the city. I saw the castle from the road down below. Hopefully we get to this thing. Sun is setting and I'm continuing to get really odd looks as I vlog to you guys, but I gotta bring you the shots. As odd as people think I am, I'm still gonna do it. Castle wall. Look, I haven't even seen the actual castle yet, but the view, wow. There's a giant statue that looks like the one of Jesus that's in Brazil, but they saw that and in 1955 they decided let's build one in Portugal. So they built one here. But then you also have a bridge that looks just like the Golden Gate Bridge. I'm not sure what the history is if they saw the Golden Gate Bridge first. I think it's fitting that I flew to Portugal literally from the city of St. George, Utah. And now I'm ending the trip to Portugal at St. George's Castle. No affiliation, I'm sure, between the two, but it is a nice way to end it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just got to show you some shots of this stuff. Enjoy. Beautiful view of what the city used to look like 500, 600 years ago. Oh, that's the castle. That's there. We're there. We're the actual castle. There's even like an old moat looking thing. Oh, this is legit. I'm entering a real castle right now. I'm in. It's so cool. It is so cool in here. Smart. Collect the rain from up there. It comes down through this and you fill up this for drinking water. Oh, stairs. I want to go up there. Totally going up there. Where do I go? I'm going up here.
Still climbing. The last steps. Whoa.
Look at this. Wow. Look at that. What's inside a castle? Look how thick those walls are right there. Hit that with a cannonball. This is definitely a no vlogging area. You could just trip right off of that edge to my knee and then whoop. That is not good. I'm staying away from that edge. If I fell off of this one, that might not hurt too bad. Look at the flags. Whoa, that's you. Whoa, there's the flag. Holy smokes, this place is beautiful. I'm at the top of a castle. The sun just set. I'm right by the flag. There's the entire city. I'm at the top of Lisbon. Thank you for watching the Portugal trip. Thank you to Web Summit for sending us out here. Jenna Marbles on the stage, Greg from the Streamies, Navid from Amazon. I hope that it was helpful for some people. I'm so grateful for this YouTube experience. I wish that the family were here in Lisbon. I'm absolutely bringing them back at some point. If we come to Web Summit next year, the whole family's coming. Thanks for watching and enjoy this beautiful shot. I don't even know what it is at the end for the last 15 seconds and then click on another video. Go watch the rest of our Portugal trips. Just do it. Do it. I'm basically Britney Spears here. Hit that with a cannonball.
One.